Are you struggling as a pig farmer? Are you planning to venture into pig farming? This video is for you. In this video, I will share with you all the details involved in subcutaneous injection of a pig, which is mainly used to deworm pigs. And this will help equip you for success in pig farming business. Hello beautiful people, my name is Priscilla. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Priscilla Business Solutions. In this channel, we discuss everything about business management, money management, sales skills, entrepreneurship, agriculture, and overall personal development. And these are vital skills for you as an individual and as a business owner. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more insight on how to grow your business. Equally on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video weekly. Equally give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Please, most importantly, please share my videos with your friends and well-wishers. Use the share button. Please share my videos. Equally copy the link and paste it in any social media platform. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the details involved in subcutaneous injection of a pig, which is mainly used to deworm pigs. Here in this video, we will discuss the exact point to use while injecting subcutaneous injection and how to position your needle during the injection. Subcutaneous injection is mainly used in deworming pigs against endoparasites, that is, parasites or worms that affect inside the body of the pig, such as tapeworm, and also the parasite that affects the skin, that occurs on the skin of the pigs, such as ringworm infection. So subcutaneous injection is used to deworm pigs against both inside the body and on the skin parasites. While injecting subcutaneously, the position of the needle is vital. The needle should be positioned at 45 degrees position from the skin. 45 at an angle of 45 degrees from the skin. Also, you use the other free hand to lift the skin, creating an arc or passage for the needle under the skin, and equally avoiding the needle entering inside the muscles. The needle must be positioned under the skin before the muscle. The needle must not enter the muscle or vein. It must be under the skin. So use one of your free hands, create an arc, lift the skin while you use the other hand to insert the syringe and the needle. All these positions are vital to achieve your aim of subcutaneous injection. If it is not properly done, the medication will not be effective as it should be. Getting a subcutaneous injection is vital, is very vital. Other form of injection can be done easily, but subcutaneous injection must be done properly. After injecting a subcutaneous injection, the area of the injection will be swollen. This is how you know that you did a good subcutaneous injection. values from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Equally, please, most importantly, share my YouTube videos to your friends and well-wishers. Use the share button, copy the link, post it in any social media platform. After injecting a subcutaneous injection, the area of the injection will be swollen. This is how you know that you did a good subcutaneous injection. You will notice that the particular area where you injected is swollen. The medication will be swollen on the skin. If that is not seen or felt, it means that the injection was not properly done. The subcutaneous injection was not properly done. So this is how you assess if you did a good subcutaneous injection. The area where you injected the medication under the skin will be swollen. It will be visible that it is swollen. And if you touch it, you can feel that it is swollen and packed under the skin. If you got values from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Please, most importantly, share my videos, please, to your friends and well-wishers. Please use the share button, copy the link, paste in any social media platform. And if you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to join this family. This is Priscilla Business Solutions YouTube channel. Here we'll talk everything about business management, money management, sales skills, entrepreneurship, agriculture, and overall personal development. And these are vital skills. And these are vital skills for you as an individual and as a business owner. Please subscribe on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, always leave a comment below, please. For more insight on how to succeed in pig farming business, there I have 2 other videos showing down below now for you to watch. You have how to feed your pigs properly. Yes, if you need information on how to feed your pigs, you have the other one. How to start pig farming, factors required to succeed in pig farming business. You see the 2 videos down below. Please click on them to watch, to get equipped, to equip yourself to succeed in pig farming business. You don't need to start anyhow. You need to equip yourself to start the right path. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.